This video demonstrates a procedure for monitoring eye movements while participants view images. An eye tracker helmet is first placed on the participant, and then cameras are adjusted to sit just below each eye. The cameras are focused to obtain pupil and corneal reflections. By having the participant fixate on a series of targets, eye movements are calibrated and validated. Through inspection of changes in the eye movement scanning patterns, it can be shown that details regarding previously viewed images have been stored in memory.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Ryan, a senior scientist at the Rotman Research Institute at Baycrest in Toronto. Today we would like to show you our protocol, eye movement monitoring of memory. This method can help answer key questions in the field of memory, such as when memories are accessed and what details are maintained in those representations.
To monitor eye movement during memory integrity experiments, an iLink 2 eye tracker system is used. This head-mounted, video-based eye tracker records eye position in the XY coordinate frame at a sampling rate of either 500 or 250 Hz with a spatial resolution of less than 0.1 degree. One camera is used to monitor head position by sending infrared markers to sensors placed on the four corners of the display monitor that is viewed by the participants. Two additional cameras are mounted on the headbands situated below each of the eyes, and infrared illuminators are used to note the pupil and corneal reflections. Eye position may be based on pupil and corneal reflections or based on the pupil only. The padded headband